Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in first home mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get login into your first home account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.firsthome.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of First Home account. So, once you're in this kind of interface, all you need to do is simply tap on the Get Started or Login option. After this, tap on Access as Browser Login, and once you have done that, you will have this thing on your screen. So once you are redirected to this kind of interface, all you need to do is simply type in the username and the password of your account and tap on the login button, which will allow you to get the access back to your first home mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.